Think trucks are just cumbersome machines for hauling heavy loads. Think again. There are inventions turning trucks into mechanical brains on wheels, incredibly smart, powerful, and automated. From trailer coupling systems that feel like a game to airbags that can lift a tank, here are 10 genius inventions that will make you wonder, why isn't this technology global yet? Number 1. Roller bed loading system. The truck floor becomes a live conveyor belt. Ever spent 20 minutes struggling to push a heavy pallet into a truck? With a roller bed, it takes just 90 seconds. This system transforms the truck floor into a network of rollers that operate like an airport conveyor belt. When activated, pallets, cargo boxes, or even air freight containers are smoothly pushed into the vehicle without needing a forklift or manual labor. Industry giants like DHL, FedEx, Unilever, and Coca-Cola have adopted the roller bed for its incredible efficiency. Beyond speed, this system reduces injuries from climbing into the truck bed and minimizes the risk of dropping cargo. Installation can be done by a 2-person team in just 12 hours. If every minute in logistics is money, the roller bed is an investment that pays for itself on the very next shipment. Number 2. KKS Automatic Coupling System. Hook up a trailer without leaving the cab. While other drivers are squeezing out of their cabs to manually hook up a trailer, users of the KKS system can just sit still. Developed by Jost, this system allows a tractor to automatically connect to a trailer with a simple reverse maneuver. When the kingpin locks into the 5th wheel, all electrical and pneumatic connections are automatically engaged in seconds. No cables, no climbing, just the push of a button. This not only saves tremendous time, but also reduces the risk of injury and operational errors. The KKS system also paves the way for autonomous trucks, as a robot cannot perform these manual connections. It's a habit-changing invention for the transport industry, proving that true innovation often lies in simplifying everyday tasks. Number 3. MatJack Air Lift Bag. Using an airbag to lift an entire tank. It may sound absurd, but it's true. A MatJack airbag can lift an M1 Abrams tank weighing tens of tons. This is an ultra-safe lifting and recovery tool, commonly used in mining on construction sites and even by the military. With just a small flat surface and a compressed air source, the MatJack bag inflates and lifts anything placed on top of it, from an overturned dump truck to a stuck excavator. No crane support, tow truck, or lengthy deployment time is required. The device can be folded up like a rubber mat, is easy to transport, and can be operated by a single person. Its durability and stability are extremely high. It can even withstand tank treads. In a world where lifting heavy objects is always complicated, MatJack is proof of intelligent simplicity. Number 4. SP Series Side Puller. Towing a vehicle from impossible places. Most recovery vehicles can only operate with enough space in front or behind. But what if a vehicle has fallen into a ditch on the side of the road or is wedged in a narrow ravine? That's when the SP Side Puller comes into play. This system allows for horizontal pulling from the side with a force of up to 9.9 US tons. The crane can extend, rotate flexibly, and operate on unstable terrain thanks to self-leveling stabilizer legs. Impressively, all operations can be controlled remotely, keeping the operator in a completely safe position. No need for a heavy-duty crane or blocking the road for too long. With just one recovery truck equipped with an SP, you can handle any situation like a traffic ninja. It's a compact tool delivering capabilities that larger vehicles often lack. Number 5. Smart Valve. The smart valve that conquers any terrain. Not all trailers have the same height, and not every road is flat. The smart valve is an electronic controller on the 5th wheel that helps the tractor auto-adjust its height and tilt. When backing up to a low trailer, the system lowers the chassis with a single button push. On rough roads, the valve raises the truck to avoid undercarriage collisions. When cruising speed above 7 miles per hour is reached, the system automatically returns the vehicle to its standard height to optimize aerodynamics. The smart valve doesn't just make the truck smarter, it also reduces wear, saves fuel, and extends the life of the suspension system. When inches of ground clearance make all the difference, this quiet but powerful technology is essential. Number 6. Lift box docks. Turning any truck into a delivery master. Ever seen a truck struggle to align with a mismatched loading dock? Lift box docks solve that problem completely. This liftgate system is permanently attached to the truck and can raise up to 5.2 feet or lower to the ground, depending on the height of the warehouse or delivery point. With a load capacity of 3.8 US tons, the lift box makes loading and unloading no longer dependent on the recipient's infrastructure. Whether delivering to a private residence, a temporary site, or a professional warehouse, the truck fits perfectly with just a few controls. No forklift, no extra hands, no waiting. This device boosts speed and expands the customer base by making nearly any destination accessible. Number 7. Solar on Top System. The truck roof becomes a money-printing machine. While this isn't a truck that runs entirely on solar power, the solar on top system is still astonishing. Solar panels mounted on the truck's roof continuously harvest energy to run auxiliary systems like air conditioning lights and hydraulic pumps. The result: the truck saves up to 792 gallons of fuel per year, equivalent to over 9.9 US tons of CO2 emissions avoided. Additionally, the system helps extend battery life, reduce the load on the main engine, and decrease vibrations. With a low investment cost and proven efficiency, it's one of the fastest ways for a fleet to go green without replacing its vehicles. While others debate future tech, Solar on Top turns sunshine into money right now. Number 8. SteelBro Side Lifter. When a truck becomes its own container crane, no port, no gantry crane, no problem. The SteelBro Side Lifter allows any truck to self-load and unload containers weighing up to 49.6 US tons. This system attaches 2 large hydraulic arms to the side of the truck, allowing it to lift containers from the ground, another truck, or a train car. Even if placed off-center or at a difficult angle, the arms can reach it thanks to their adjustable boom length. Every operation is controlled by a wireless remote, ensuring absolute safety and precision. The lifting speed is incredibly fast with no support team needed. On remote routes with limited infrastructure, the SteelBro effectively lets the driver carry a portable port on the back of their truck. Number 9. Guardian AI Monitoring System. The all-seeing eye against fatigue. Often incidents stem not from mechanical failure, but from the operator. Over the millions of miles that trucks travel each year, a single second of inattention can be fatal. Guardian is an AI system with a camera that observes the driver, not to supervise, but to save them. It recognizes drowsy eyes, frequent blinking, looking down at a phone, or other signs of fatigue. When it detects a risk, the system immediately issues an alert with flashing lights, sound, or seat vibration. In the fleet-connected version, the system also sends an alert to the management center. No one wants to be watched, but with Guardian, that gaze is a potential lifeline. It is technology that is there when it matters most. Number 10. Truck Wings. Aerodynamic panels that deploy at speed. Did you know the gap between a truck's cab and trailer can waste thousands of dollars in fuel each year? Truck wings were created to fix that exact wind leak. These are automated panels that close when the truck reaches a speed of about 52 miles per hour, sealing the gap between the tractor and the trailer. This allows air to flow smoothly, reducing drag and saving up to 6% on fuel, a significant figure for long-haul trucks. Notably, truck wings can be installed in about 2 hours and are compatible with both diesel and electric trucks. When the truck stops or makes a sharp turn, the wings open again to not affect the turning radius. It's a silent but highly effective invention, proving that closing a small gap can open up significant savings. These inventions prove that a truck is not just a vehicle, but an evolving machine, smarter, more efficient, and safer. If you think any of these inventions deserve to be widespread, leave a comment. The next video will go even further.